Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a landing page. First, understand your audience deeply. Knowing their pain points helps you craft a message that truly resonates. Next, clearly state what makes your offer unique and valuable. Finally, ensure your page guides visitors toward one clear action, making their next step obvious and easy. This foundational work is crucial for success. Now let's build it. Your headline should grab attention immediately, supported by a clear subheadline. Incorporate high-quality visuals that enhance your message, not distract from it. Your copy must be brief, focusing on benefits, not just features. Don't forget social proof. A few strong testimonials can significantly boost trust and encourage conversions, showing real-world satisfaction. Optimization is continuous. Regularly /B test elements like headlines, images, and calls to action to see what performs best. Track key metrics, especially your conversion rate, to understand user behavior. A page that loads in under 3 seconds retains more visitors. Also, keep your forms short, asking for only the most critical information to reduce friction and increase completions. Finally, get eyes on your page and learn. Promote it using various methods like social media, email, or paid ads. Use analytics tools to understand how visitors interact with your page, identifying areas for improvement. Based on this data, refine your messaging and design. Continuous analysis and adaptation are key to maximizing your landing page's effectiveness over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.